the hidden study mistake that's sabotaging your progress. Picture this. You're grinding through your textbooks, highlighting everything in sight and cramming until your brain feels like mush. But here's the plot twist that'll blow your mind. The biggest mistake sabotaging your study success isn't what you think it is. It's not procrastination, it's not your phone, and it's definitely not your ability to learn. The real culprit? You're studying like a passive sponge instead of an active detective. The sneaky saboteur, passive learning. Most students fall into the highlighter trap. They read, highlight, and reread until they feel like they know the material. But feeling like you know something and actually knowing it are two completely different beasts. This passive approach creates the dangerous illusion of learning while your brain secretly checks out for a mental vacation. How to transform into a learning detective. Step 1. Question everything like a curious 5-year-old. Before diving into any material, ask yourself, what am I about to discover? Turn every study session into a treasure hunt by creating questions you want answered. Your brain loves solving puzzles, so give it some juicy mysteries to crack. Step 2. Teach an imaginary friend. Here's where the magic happens. Explain concepts out loud as if you're teaching someone who's never heard of the topic. If you stumble, you've found your knowledge gaps. This technique, called the Feynman method, turns you from a passive consumer into an active knowledge creator. Step 3. Connect the dots like a master storyteller. Instead of memorizing isolated facts, weave them into stories and connections. Ask yourself, how does this relate to what I already know? Or what would happen if I changed this variable? Your brain craves connections, so feed it what it wants. Step 4. Test yourself mercilessly, but lovingly. Ditch the endless rereading and embrace the beautiful struggle of retrieval practice. Quiz yourself, create flashcards, or better yet, try to recreate entire concept maps from memory. The more you struggle to recall information, the stronger those neural pathways become. Your learning transformation starts now. Ready to ditch the passive study zombie mode and become an active learning machine? Remember, every expert was once a beginner who refused to stay passive. Your brain is an incredible learning powerhouse. It's time to unleash its full potential and make studying the adventure it was meant to be.